Alright guys, shop update on that excavator I'm working on. I was able to get some more metal out of there. It's just so much. These are the bigger pieces. You can see that's the grease. All those little fine metal shavings in there. I haven't found any broken teeth yet. I was able to get the machine up on blocks. I'll show you right now. Got the machine up on blocks, as you can see, and I got it so I can turn this whole motherfucker. As you can see, turn it. So I got it so I can turn it so I can inspect the whole gear as I turn it all the way around. But when I do that, I inspected the whole gear. I didn't see one tooth missing. Not one tooth on the big gear. He's right there. I want to show you. See, that's the big gear down in there, and I can actually get it to move. Let's see. There we go. Now, I went all the way around this piece of crap. As you can see now, she's moving to inspect all these gears, but they all look perfect. You know, I can only get maybe 270-degree view of this, and that's as far as it'll go. It'll go a little bit further, but I have a feeling that the bearing actually collapsed inside that slew bearing, which is what all the pieces I'm finding, because there's nothing wrong with that gear. It's got to be that main bearing and race assembly that's up behind it. So looks like we're gonna have to split this fucker. I gotta talk to the bosses, but just that new bearing disc on below was $5 grand. $5 grand to replace that bearing in there. So we will see what they want to do. Talk to you later.